Hi friends, welcome to Embedded AI Labs. In this video we are going to design step down and step up transformer using Proteus IDE. We will see 230 volt to 12 volt step down transformer, then 230 volt to 15 volt step down transformer, then 12 volt to 230 volt step up transformer, then 15 volt to 230 volt step up transformer, then 230 volt to 12 volt step down center tapped transformer, then 230 volt to 15 volt step down center tapped transformer. The turns ratio N is the ratio of number of turns on the secondary coil of an electrical transformer to the number of turns on the primary coil, or vice versa. The voltage ratio of an ideal transformer is directly related to the turns ratio. The current ratio of an ideal transformer is inversely related to the turns ratio. The turns ratio of an ideal transformer by inductance is the square root of the inductance ratio values. The open circuit voltage ratio by inductance is given by mutual inductance divided by primary inductance. The mutual inductance M equal to K into square root of primary inductance and secondary inductance. After applying that in open circuit voltage, we will get open circuit voltage equal to K into square root of primary inductance and secondary inductance divided by primary inductance. If all the ratio of the flux is coupled to the ratio of the turns, then we will get maximum coupled voltage ratio, which is equal to coupling coefficient K into square root of secondary inductance by square root of primary inductance. For ideal transformer, the coupling coefficient is equal to 1. Then we will get the voltage ratio is equal to square root of secondary inductance by primary inductance. After rearranging that, we will get the inductance ratio is equal to the voltage ratio square. Then we will see the step down transformer design in Proteus, that is 230 volt to 12 volt step down transformer using the inductance ratio formula. Now assuming that primary inductance is equal to 1 Henry, then primary voltage is equal to 230 volt, which is the RMS input voltage. It depends on the available source voltage. Then the secondary voltage is 12 volts, which is the required step down voltage. After applying that in inductance ratio formula, we will get 12 by 230 square into 1 by calculating 12 by 230 square. We will get 0.002722 Henry. Then open Proteus and pick devices by clicking P. Now select on inductor, then select transformer. In that, select simple transformer. By double clicking that, it will be added in the devices. Then select center tapped transformer. Then search for AC source. And double click to add it. then click OK. Now select simple transformer in devices and place it on workspace. Then select AC source and place it. Then go for instruments. In that, select AC voltmeter, which is used to measure input and output voltages. Then wire it up. In Proteus AC source, we have to apply peak voltage. So the peak voltage of RMS 230 volt is equal to 1.414 into 230 volt. So the peak voltage of primary input voltage is 325 volts and 50 hertz frequency. We have to apply in the AC source. We go for Proteus and apply 325 volts and 50 hertz. Then click on OK. Then we have to enter transformer inductance values. We have already calculated that. For 230 volt to 12 volt, the primary inductance is 1 Henry and the secondary inductance is 0.002722 Henry. The coupling factor is 1. So I enter secondary inductance as 0.002722 Henry. Then click on OK. Now run the simulation. Now you will see that 230 volt is converted to, which is stepped down to 12 volt output. Next we will see 230 volts to 15 volt step down transformer. Assuming that L primary as 1 Henry, primary voltage as 230 volts, then secondary voltage, which is required voltage, is 15 volts. Applying that in inductance ratio formula, we will get 15 by 230 volts square into 1. We will get 0.004253 Henry as secondary inductance. In Proteus, for AC source, we have to enter peak voltage. Peak voltage of 230 volt is 325 volt, then 15 hertz frequency. In inductance of transformer, L primary as 1 Henry, secondary as 0.004253 Henry, then coupling factor is 1. Applying that in Proteus AC source, 325 volts, then frequency 50 hertz, then click on OK. Now we have to apply inductance value. For primary inductance, it is 1 Henry. For secondary inductance, it is 0.004253 Henry. Coupling factor is 1. Then click on OK. Now run the simulation. We will get 230 volt is converted to, which is stepped down to 15 volts in secondary. Next we will see step up transformer design in Proteus, 12 volts to 230 volts step up transformer. In this, let's assume primary inductance as 1 Henry, primary input voltage is 12 volts, then secondary step up voltage required is 230 volts. Applying that in inductance ratio formula, we will get 230 by 12 the whole square into 1, which is 367.36 Henry as secondary inductance. Then for 12 volt the peak voltage is 16.97 volt, frequency is 50 Hz. Now run the simulation. In this we will see 12 volt is step up to 230 volts. Next we will see 15 volts to 230 volt step up design. In this, let's assume primary inductance as 1 Henry, primary voltage as 15 volts, and the required step up voltage is 230 volts. Applying in the inductance ratio formula, we will get 230 by 15 the whole square into 1, which is equal to 235.11 Henry. Peak voltage of RMS 15 volt is 21.21 volts, frequency is 50 Hz. Then primary inductance is 1 Henry and secondary inductance is 235.11. The coupling factor of K is 1. Applying that in transformer design, then run the simulation. We will get 15 volt is step up to 230 volts. Then next is step down center tapped transformer design in Proteus. Go to Proteus, delete simple transformer and select center tapped transformer and place it in worksheet. Now we will see that 230 volt is converted to 12 volt step down center tapped output. Assuming that primary inductance as 1 Henry, primary voltage is 230 volts, then the required step down voltage is 12 volts. After applying that in inductance ratio formula, we will get L secondary as 0.002722 Henry. Then for input source, we have to apply peak voltage. So the 230 volt RMS voltage is converted to peak, which is equal to 325 volts. Frequency is 50 Hz. Then for center tapped transformer, we have to apply the total secondary inductance value. For that, we have to multiply that by secondary inductance by 2. This is because we will get 12. So we have to multiply the inductance value by 2. Then the total secondary inductance is 0.005444 Henry. Coupling factor is 1. Applying voltage source value, which is 325 peak, 50 Hz frequency. Now the inductance value, primary as 1 Henry and secondary is equal to 0.005444 Henry. Then run the simulation. Now you see that 230 volt is stepped down to 12. as center tapped output. Then we will see 230 volt to 15 volts center tapped transformer. Here again, assuming that primary inductance as 1 Henry and primary voltage as 230 volts, then secondary voltage which is required output is 15 volts. Applying in that inductance ratio formula, we will get L secondary as 0.004253 Henry. For input, we have to enter peak volt. So primary peak voltage is 325 volts and frequency is 50 Hertz. For inductance, primary inductance is 1 Henry and secondary inductance is 2 into 0.004253. So the total secondary inductance value is 0.008506 Henry. Coupling factor is 1. Now applying that in Proteus, voltage source 325 and 50 Hertz frequency. Then primary inductance is 1 Henry, secondary inductance is 0.008506 Henry. Now run the simulation. We will get 230 volt is stepped down to 15 volts, which is 15 volts in the output. In step-up transformer design, we can also apply the respective step-down transformer inductance values to the step-up transformer design. That is, the step-down primary inductance value can be applied to the step-up transformer secondary inductance value. Then the step-down secondary inductance value can be applied to the step-up transformer's primary inductance value. Now you see that primary inductance of 1 Henry of step down transformer is applied to the step up transformer secondary inductance. Then the secondary inductance value of step down transformer is applied to the primary inductance of the step up transformer. Coupling factor is 1 and here also 1. These values can be applied in Proteus. For step down transformer, 325 volt and 50 Hertz as AC source. Then primary inductance 1 Henry and secondary inductance is 0.002722 Henry. In step up transformer, the AC source is 16.97 volt and 50 Hertz. The inductance is 0.002722 Henry in primary and 1 Henry in secondary. Now you run the simulation, we will get 230 volt is step down to 12 volt. In step up transformer, the 12 volt is step up to 230 volts. This can be achieved by finding the primary value instead of secondary value by keeping L secondary value as 1 Henry instead of L primary value as 1 Henry by default. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial really helps you, kindly like, share and subscribe our channel Embedded AI Labs. In case of any queries, kindly comment us. Once again, thank you.